Give me the best of the Bentley. Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And today we are going to be doing some Rice Krispie treats. I felt like it's time, okay? A lot of people got the munchies. A lot of people right now have the kids home. So this is a quick, inexpensive snack you can make with the kids or for yourself and your loved ones or whatever. Okay, so I was feeling for some Rice Krispies, so I said, let me go get some. So you want to make sure you have, of course, some mini marshmallows. You can get the large ones if you want, but I feel like the small ones are easier to work with. So I got 2 packs of the small mini marshmallows. I got, of course, a box of Rice Krispies. It doesn't have to be Kellogg's. I got some pure vanilla extract. Okay, this thing right here was $12.99. I couldn't believe that. And you need some butter, margarine, salted butter, whatever. Yeah. So I have both because I was running out of the margarine. So, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt because this stick of butter here is unsalted. So yes, you want to have a pan, a nice pot on medium, on low to medium. You don't want it too high. You don't want to start off high. And you want to just have your butter just, you know, get nice and melted and stuff like that. So of course I added the whole stick of butter and I added a little bit of margarine. Okay, so you just want to get that nice and liquidy. You want to make sure it's liquidy. Like, you want to make sure all the butter is melted. Okay, honey. And you don't have to do this with Rice Krispies. You can do this with any cereal, Frosted Flakes, Cocoa Puffs, anything, any type of cereal you want, to be honest. Like, I think I'm gonna do one with the Cocoa Pebbles next because I love chocolate cereals. I just love them. So yeah, y'all, this was really fun to make. I think this would be fun to make with the kids. So you guys should definitely try it. Okay, so you want to get that nice and buttered down, honey. And then I'm just gonna like assist the pot a little bit and just make sure it's not burning. You want to make sure it's not burning. Don't walk away or nothing like that because you don't want to have burnt butter and have to start all over. Okay, guys, so now this is the fun part. Now you want to just dunk in all of the marshmallows. So I only use 1.5 packs or 1 and like 3/4 of the second bag. Depending on how much Rice Krispies you're making, you might want to get like more than 1 or 2 bags because, you know, if you're making a lot for a lot of people, then you clearly need more ingredients. Okay, but this is my first time actually trying it myself. So this was very, very fun. I had a lot of fun making this. So you want to just dunk all of those marshmallows into the pot, and you want to just keep stirring and make sure that your eye is not too high. Okay, make sure it's on either low or medium. And I added a little bit of salt just now, and then I'm gonna add the vanilla extract. It just gives it a better flavor, guys. Definitely try that. You don't have to use vanilla if you're allergic, then you don't have to use the vanilla extract, but I use the vanilla extract. I've seen people using that as an ingredient, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try that too. And it honestly made it like very flavorful, and it was just delicious. So you just want to cook these down until it's very liquidy, like a liquidy consistency. So you want it like kind of like pancake batter. Okay, that's like the goal. You want it nice and, you know, all that. So yeah, this was super fun to do, and it didn't take that long, to be honest. Like, The only thing that took long was waiting for it to stiffen up and harden up. Okay, so and that was only like an hour, but this definitely does not take long, and it's so quick. Like, you melt some butter, add some marshmallows, add the cereal, boom. Like, it's so quick to do. If you don't have any snacks in the house for the kids, boom, just go get some marshmallows. Everybody got butter in the house, got some cereal. Better listen. So now here I'm adding the cereal. I didn't use this whole box, so I really didn't need the whole box. But yeah, I'm adding the cereal now, and I'm just mixing until you get all of the cereal coated, with the marshmallows and butter. Okay. Yes, you want to make sure you get all of it coated. And I still have the eye on. Okay, I don't believe you need the eye on still, but I wanted to add some more marshmallows so that they don't get like, I wanted to have like that marshmallowy look to them where you can still see them, but they end up getting melted in. So yeah. Some people like to add sprinkles and stuff like that. Me, I don't really like sprinkles, so I didn't add any sprinkles. So yep, this was so good, y'all. It was so good. For me, it was a little too sweet. I'm like an old lady. I don't really like too sweet stuff, but my boo liked it, and my work sister liked it, so you know, it was pretty good. I'm gonna make it again though for my mom and little brother. So yeah, maybe I'll add some marshmallows or something. I mean, maybe I'll add some sprinkles when I make it again. But yeah, I loved doing this. This was so fun. So now, guys, oh, please don't make this mistake that I made. I made a mistake coming up. Did I? Yeah, I didn't oil the pan. I was supposed to oil the pan with some butter, and I forgot. I forgot to oil the pan, guys. Please make sure you oil the pan with butter, please, with Pam or something. Like, you need to use Pam, or you can use butter or whatever you like, but you have to oil the pan. I totally forgot. I was so in the mood that I forgot. And usually they say you should use your hands, but I used a spoon. I didn't want to use my hands. So I used a spoon, but they say you should use your hands to mash it down and stuff like that. So yeah, mine is definitely not perfect, but you guys get the gist. You guys get it, okay? But this was definitely real good. And now that I'm looking at it, I think I want some more. But yes, y'all, so you want to let this sit. Some people let it sit overnight. But I let it sit for like an hour and a half. And well, when I'm cutting into it right now, when you guys see me cutting into it, I actually let it only sit for like 30 minutes, and that wasn't enough. So I let it sit for another hour, and then it was good. Like, because I had it sitting on the counter, and then like right here, it was sitting on a counter for 30 minutes. And when I cut it, it was still warm, and it wasn't like ready to be, served yet. I mean, you can honestly, it's up to you when, how you want it. If you want yours a little more harder, like how Rice Krispie usually is, then yes, you want to wait and let it thaw out. Let it harden up some. Okay, so me, I had it sitting out on the counter at first. Didn't like how it was, so I put it back in. I put it in the refrigerator for another hour, and it was great. So yeah, I'm just cutting it up into pieces right here. And voila, guys, enjoy. You don't have to bake this. You don't have to put this in the oven. No, it's very easy. Like, you don't even have to put it in the oven. Kids can make this. It's super, super easy and fun. So I would say, take this time after you guys finish homework with the kids. Take this time and make some Rice Krispie treats. Make some nice little dessert or something. Super, you see, guys, it was falling apart a little bit, but it was so good. It was so yummy. So good. Look at that. Yum. It was so good. And voila, guys, this is how it's looking after it was finished. And look how great they look. Okay, they're not the neatest, but hey, you guys get the gist. Super, super delicious. And yeah, guys, stay safe, enjoy. Okay, let me know, would you try this? Have you ever made Rice Krispies before? And yum, yum, yummy.